Looks like it's about to be a fun descent. Yeah, maybe I should have chosen a shorter trail out here. I just thought though, hey, longest trail, let's knock it out. Let's have some fun. I wasn't even thinking about my leg. I guess I'll be alright. All these creeks out here have been dry. I don't know. Maybe that's a good thing. I really want to be hiking in wet boots. Oh, well, maybe that wasn't much of a descent. Thought we were going to end up having to go down there. So far, not. Maybe we still will. I don't know. Yeah, so far I haven't seen anybody else out here except for the guides, and I guess one guy was taking his kid on one of the trails. Haven't seen anybody on this one though. Was planning on a shorter hike closer to town, but then I heard this was going to be open today, so I was like, heck yeah. Maybe there's the descent. But I do like getting out and about. I've seen some coyote droppings, but I wanted to spare you from that. I'm showing you that. Hey, maybe we are descending after all. Yeah, we are going down the hill. Just wasn't going as direct as I thought we were going. How the heck did they get a bulldozer down like that? Very carefully, I guess. You notice maybe we'll have a wet creek crossing somewhere down here. Guess it's more likely. Oh, here we go. Just talking about this. We got ourselves a wet creek crossing. Not much of one, but still. I can't see the edges of the creek because all these leaves. At least they put these logs in here to help cross, but still I can't really see the edges of the creek. Nice creek though. I wonder what the flow rate is on it. Doesn't look like much of a flow rate, but this thing still interests me. Oh well, onwards and upwards now. Since I've gone downhill, gotta go up. Ancient Viking runes? No, probably not. Oh boy, here we go. There are actually rumors or legends. I think they actually did a little thing on some show on the History Channel about it. Maybe Discovery, but I think it was History. Talking about some Viking runes in this area. Don't know how true, but we'll see. Well, still going up. Just passing over a couple of women coming down the trail, so I guess if they can do it, I can do it. First people I've actually seen on this trail. Sure is nice out here though. Oh, leg. I guess if you switch back down, you gotta switch back up. Well, looks like I may have gotten to the top again. It's flattened out and yeah, looks like some old gravel. So I must be getting close to connecting back to the main trail. That'll take me back to the trailheads and parking lot. That's kind of cool. Hope those two older ladies are doing okay. Sure they are. They've probably been out here before doing this. They're probably worried about me, saying, look at that big guy huffing and puffing. Now, I guess I gotta start figuring out where I'm gonna go next. And maybe when am I gonna come out here again? Like to see some of the other trails they have. Alright, well, on the last little bit, just under a mile till the end of the trail, or beginning, Pretty nice trail. At least this one I'm on, as you can see, it's been very wide. Makes it kind of nice. I'll have to check out the other trails. I don't think they're as wide as this, he said, because this was made by a bulldozer. The other ones weren't, so. Yeah, it's, you know, well marked, at least on this trail. Overall, litter clean, except for a cigarette butt and this old Budweiser can I found on the side of the trail. I swear it was empty when I found it. But other than that, it's been pretty clean, and I guess that's why they only open this, I guess, park, if you want to call it that. This forest open to hiking a few times a year, because they, yeah, don't want the place trashed out or burnt down. Yeah, as I said though, it's overall, you know, pretty nice out here. I'll be coming back to knock out some of the other trails. It'll be shorter ones, but still, you know, marking trails off the list.